Quick video on this clamp. This is a BMW M57 turbo diesel engine, 3 liters. This one's on the X5 North American version, but all of them should be the same. This is the clip that holds this cold air pipe that comes from intercooler into the ASV and then EGR and then into intake manifold. So it mounts basically here. We retrieved it and just want to show you the wear. This car has 162,000 kilometers and basically this part's never been taken apart as far as we know. This is the clip and we just want to show you the wear on the clip. So over time it vibrates, you know, engine moves, the pipe moves a little bit, and then pipe starts to leak in the gasket, and part of it is because this clip gets worn over time. This is probably the most worn clip we've ever seen if you look at it from here. So it's probably halfway worn through this thickness. This is the bottom part, this is the top part. Bottom part's more worn than the top one. Here's the ASV or anti-shudder valve. Gets mounted like this on a motor. So this is top, this is bottom. And so on the bottom where we showed you the clip, you could see that it also has worn quite a groove in its seat. So there's nothing really you can do about it except replace the ASV, and you could see that the groove is also worn on the mating surface where the gasket goes because it constantly moves. So this is the bottom, and the top is worn also just a little bit, just not as much. So just something also to check.